Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new video. And on today's video I will be showing you how to download and install TikTok Lite application on your mobile device. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your device, open up the Play Store application. Now on the search bar at the very top of this interface, type in TikTok Lite. Then search for that. Now on this interface, TikTok Lite will be loaded. Tap on there and from there tap on install. This application will be downloaded depending upon your internet, and once it is downloaded, open up the application and from there you can simply log into your TikTok account to enjoy watching the videos, or if you don't have an account yet, you can create one with your email, your Facebook account or your Google account as well. So this is how you can download and install TikTok Lite application on your mobile device. I hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials like this. Thank you for watching again. I will see you on next video.